Which one is the tallest tree species in the world? Banyan tree, coast redwood, oak tree. Coast redwood. What's the deepest point on Earth? Mariana Trench, Java Trench, Tonga Trench. Mariana Trench. Plants make their own food using sunlight. What is this process called? Evaporation, photosynthesis, respiration. Photosynthesis. Which stage comes after the caterpillar in a butterfly's life? Egg, cocoon, chrysalis, adult. Cocoon, chrysalis. Which is the largest land animal on Earth? Giraffe, hippopotamus, African elephant. Answer in the comment section.